were very ready for today, but now again we have to readjust ourselves to the election of tomorrow, which was very unfortunate.
Actually, I'm happy about that. I, for one, it has given me time to talk to my voters, to plan, to prepare for myself, and also mobilize materials that is required for my campaign.
And it is a chance for them at least to mobilize their people, their supporters to go for voting tomorrow.
We are surprised again that it has been postponed till yesterday, up to tomorrow, and which is giving us, it's a big challenge because now we have lost our resources.
Coming primaries for MP, mayoral positions, we are ready for that. We are going to deploy as usual, and we have not got any sign of hooliganism, though we cannot rule that one out.